go.
We have
Interest
another segment. Okay. Our topic for today is hearts which have been broken. Let's start with our first guest. Here is Jasper Darnoy. Tell us about your story. Tell us about your story. We're not paying you to keep silent. Can you explain this? Can you explain this? Chara na ay. Kasi mga ballpen. Ballpen.
Jimar ba?
Alright. Another ex broken-hearted, but now his heart has been put band-aid. Okay,
It means just more ba?
Yes, Jmar. Okay. What is your experience in St. Ignatius this year? St. Ignatius. No comment.
You know what ba?
Okay, what is your experience?
Ikaw sa habit na makuan.
What can you tell about the future mission? Kuan.
Dili,
Love.
experience.
Experience lang yung future. Experience lang. Kuan. Mahulog na ng time.
Hindi na. Jimar ba?
What's your message to the Ignatian? Kuan. Basta. I love you all. All amok. Mahal ko kayo.
Hindi na. Sige na ba?
Hindi ko kabalo.
One message yung sa future nga ignition.
One. Karong this coming 2008-2009 school year. Sa new building? Sa new building sa Libertad, Pagkasibutuan City. Kuan. Good luck na lang sa mga third year ignition. Ayaw yung advisor, ha? Advisor nga ka ng... Dito. Ako ginalain ninyo. Ang good. Sukay na ko.
Message mo sa mga, dili experience lagi mo?
Experience na ako karon. Kay, basta dagay banding. Basta ultimo na sa barkada, hala, dira. Tigo dagat, Suri Masing Asa, Eco Park, Memorial Park, Airport, sa mga balay-balay. Mato, ito yung kramong kwan. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Sayo. Ano mo yung tawagan?
May na, bye-bye.
Always remember,
Farewell speech.
kung walang power, may knowledge. Okay?
Bye-bye.
Mahal ko kayo.